The quicker you clean up your dog's urine, the easier it will be to prevent any lingering odors. If your dog peed on a bare floor, lay down a pile of paper towels on top of the puddle to soak it up. Put on rubber gloves and wipe the mess away. Then throw away the soaked towels in a sealed plastic bag. Spray the area with an enzyme cleaner and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Let the area air dry. If your dog peed on the carpet, dampen a bunch of paper towels with water and a few drops of dish soap. Then, blot the area to soak up as much of the mess as possible. Pat the carpet instead of rubbing it, so you don't force the urine down into the fibers. Use a carpet-safe enzyme cleaner or mix up a cleaning solution with equal parts vinegar and ammonia and about 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of baking soda. Spray the cleaning solution on the stain and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then, blot the area again with a clean, dry cloth. If the stain is still there, you may need to rent a carpet cleaner. To get dog urine out of clothes or bedding, rinse the stained item thoroughly in cold water. Then soak it for 30 minutes in cold water with an enzyme-based pre-treatment product. Wash the items in your washing machine on the hottest setting that's safe for the fabric. Use regular laundry detergent and add half a cup, 118 milliliters, to the softener dispenser. Dry the items as you normally would.